It looks like it's not even turning. I'm pushing pause, but it won't stop it. 1 minute. Now it's stopped and it's still going. Come here. I hit pause and then I hit cancel, so it stopped it. It went to 52 minutes. Hold on. Went to 52 minutes and then it's still going. Like. Now we got it off. It's completely off and it's still going. Okay, so let's do this. Here. Let's open this up. I'm gonna push that down. Let's get that thing out. See if the whole tray will come out. You gotta push this out first. I think no, maybe not. She's still running water. And we have no power. That's not freaking breaking. I can't believe this isn't listed as which one's the washing machine. Are you kidding me? I've shut everything off, Julie.
I understand.
Literally everything's went off and it's still going. That's crazy. I'm gonna try it one more time. Every breaker's off right now.
Okay. There's still power to the dryer.
Well, yeah, the two poles aren't. I didn't shut the two poles off. That's insane. So right now the thing with power off to the outlet, it's still running. Make sure your mom's still in her chair. And I'm gonna shut the main off to the house, so everything's dead.
Okay.
You sitting down? Huh? Okay, power off to the whole house and it's still running. How is that even possible? Start another cycle. That was the only way to shut it off. I got the whole thing recorded.
Good. Absolutely ridiculous.